What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Fleetwood Trades Crypto. Tonight is my weekly recap. We're going to take a look at my overall altcoin holdings, what I bought last week, what I added to, and what I'm going to buy this week to add more to my holdings. With that being said, guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. Follow me here on X at Fleetwood Trades for all of my updates. So before we get started, take a quick 30 seconds to check out this ad from my video sponsor, Swords of Blood. Guys, if you like what you saw, go to www.swordsofblood.com. Check out their beta page. It's a big banner. Sign up for the beta. It looks like it's going to be a fun time. We're going to hop into my altcoin holdings. This Google sheet that's been updated, week to week to week. And I am now at a point where I'm very, very excited. I'm at a point now where I'm at $50,000, and that means all I have to do is an accumulative 20x to break $1 million. Now between Pika Moon, Hitbox, Lush, Gaiman, Sweepad, Shadow Token, Nexera, Ethora rugged. So Ethora is like down 99%. It's gone. I'm just going to leave that as a zero rug. Ape Chain at $2,000 and Xverse. These are some tokens that I believe I will easily break that 20x mark and break $1 million. I'm extremely excited to have this. Now I have this this number in my mind, this number in my head where I can see I need a 20x. I've been able to stack over the course of the past 2 years, stacking these tokens, stacking the amount of overtime I've worked, the amount of hours I put in, the amount of sacrifice in other areas to make these investments. This round number hitting $50,000 to me is a very, very strong signal that all I need is a 20x overall. And if one of my top big hitters hits 100x, that makes it just that much easier. So, what did I buy this past week? I bought Xverse at about $1,800 at 1.33 cents, and I added to Lush $800 at about 0.0068. Actually, it was like 0.0069. Didn't quite get the exact bottom 0.0069. We want to take a look at those charts. So Lush, I got very close. Like I said, very, very close to that bottom, and it was that it came back to fill this order block. When price rises up that significantly, that quickly, there's going to be a pullback. And honestly, I thought that this area was going to hold just as an accumulation phase. And hold here and then spike back up through. But once I saw when price got down to this area, I had to get in more. I had to get more in. So I got, like I said, about $800 added to my position here. It put me over 4 million tokens total, and I'm feeling like I'm in a really, really good position with Lush. Xverse, I'm going to do a standalone video on Xverse soon, but here I was finding an area below this line of support here. So when I bought in, it was like 1.33, 1.34, somewhere in that range, like right around here. So I was able to get in early, and I'm up a good amount already on Xverse. I think I'm at like $2,300 off of an $1,800 buy, up 30%. So this is going to run. This is going to be something that could potentially, get up over $1. There's only 400 million tokens total supply. So that's what I put in last week. What am I looking for next week? Looking for two different tokens that I think have a very, very strong potential to move soon. And I hope that when I get paid early this week because of Thanksgiving. I'll get paid on Wednesday, so I'll be able to add some more in. Pika is going to probably test this lower bound again. Even right now, if I had the cash right now, that 3.00034 would be an absolute no-brainer to buy. I'm actually hoping that by Tuesday, Wednesday, it gets down to 3.2 again. If it does, I'm gonna just kind of unload as much as I can. Probably look to put another 500 in. And then the other that I'm looking for is Sweephead. Sweephead has come down a lot. I mean, it peaked at 19 cents, and now I'm going to be able to get in again under 7. Hopefully, I can get in under 7. It might be pushing back up towards 7.5 or 8. But anything under 10 right now for a Sweephead, anything under 10 is still a great position. It's a great position to be in. And I know that I made a video before thinking that it was in a very bullish pattern, and on the shorter time frame, just did like a bull flag, and it looked like it broke out, but it kind of made a double top. So then it just started to consolidate here in a much larger, broader bull flag. And I think it's going to come up soon. I think by December, you'll start seeing big movements in these lower cap coins, and you're going to see Sweephead, Pikamoon, Lush, Shadow Token, all these lower cap coins are really going to start making a move. We've seen Bitcoin run, we've seen high caps run, we've seen XLM, XRP, ADA, Doge, those tokens. Solana's already made its run, it's already pushed past an all-time high. It's going to come into the low caps very, very soon. And when it does, it's going to be quick because low caps don't require too much to move. The amount of money that went into the high caps would do 10 times the amount of change in price into these low caps. At least 10 times, if not more. So with that being said, guys, that's it for tonight. I hope you enjoyed. And remember, if you're in any of these tokens, just keep stacking. Nothing is broken out yet. Nothing is a bad position yet. So we are still in a position to keep adding. Let's keep adding and make our moon bags. With that said, guys, as always, until next time, peace.